Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling your PC Bluetooth and installing Dolphin 5. 0 or newer. This matters because Dolphin uses native Bluetooth for low latency input. Once done, download Zadig and the latest libusp driver. Make sure to run Zadig as administrator to replace the HID driver that conflicts with pairing. You should also remove existing Bluetooth device entries for any old Wii remotes and insert fresh batteries. Weak batteries cause disconnections. Now you're ready to pair the remote with your PC adapter. You put the Wii remote into discoverable mode. Press 1 and 2 together or the sync button. The LEDs will blink. Next, pair it via Windows Bluetooth settings. It may show as Nintendo RVLCNT01. Once paired, open Zadig, select the remote device or the Bluetooth adapter's device, and install/replace with Win USB/libusp-K to allow Dolphin direct access. Then open Dolphin, choose controller's Wiimote Real Wii Remote, and select your Bluetooth adapter. This direct access is why the driver swap is required. You now test the remote in Dolphin's Wiimote settings. Press buttons, shake, and check motion axes. This confirms proper driver access. If input fails or disconnects, unpair and repair, rerun Zadig ensuring Win USB is selected, or try a dedicated Bluetooth dongle. Many internal adapters are unreliable. Replace batteries and avoid USB 3.0 interference. Finally, if using Motion Plus, attach it and enable the extension in Dolphin. One key troubleshooting tip. If the remote pairs but shows no input, reinstall the driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.